Okay, this video today is about my guide, my multi-booting guide number 10. That means 10 operating system installed in this case called Deca Boot in UEFI mode. This operating system called SwagArch. This is based on Artix Linux. Is the XFCE desktop environment. Very beautiful, very clean operating system, very light. And I don't, after the installation, I don't want even to customize it. The way it is, that's the way perfect to me. So you have the plunk, the dock, the plunk. Let's see. The plunk, you have the plunk dock. So anyway, I'm gonna show how it looks like on my computer before I start the installation. So I'm gonna use Gparted. Okay, as you can see, I have 664 gigabyte free, and I have this book here. All the operating system has a partition number, and I label the partition. So SDA 17. I just made a video on SDA 15. I'm gonna name the partition. This is a Artix Linux. So I like to label everything, make it easier. When I open the file browser, I can see all the partitions there. So I know where I'm getting to. So the next operating system, this operating system is we will create a partition, and it's gonna be SDA 16. You see the Artix Linux is very light operating system. It uses the LXQT, and they're only using 2.59 gigabyte of space here. But it's plain. You have to install all the applications. There is no screenshot tool. There is no. You have to do everything install all the software that you need. You have to install everything. But I will have a video on how to do it. The same I will do it with SwagArch. So I'm going to take a screenshot here. So now when I use this, I know I have 664 gigabyte free here. That's where I'm gonna I'm going to install there, but I want to make a custom partition. This installer from the Calamares installer, to me, is the best installer. Number one installer, especially if you do booting, triple booting. The best. Think all the operating systems should use this one here. So fast. So select the language. I'm going to click next here. I'm going to take a screenshot again. I'm going to click next. That's fine to me in the keyboard layout here. I'm going to use manual partitioning. So I could replace the partition if I want to. This gives a lot of choice. I could resize the partition here and install with it. I could replace the partition, and I can do a manual partition. That's the best. So I'm going to click manual partitioning. Click next. First thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to click the SDA one here. That's the UEFI partition. So we're going to double click there. That's the UEFI partition. You're not going to format, you're just going to do is select the boot UEFI here. It has to be like that. Click OK here. I already have the swap partition, so I don't have to do anything here. So now on the free space here, on the free space I'm going to double click. And then we're going to do, I want to just want a 16 gigabyte. So it's going to be like this. With the mount point, ext4 is a GPT. I'm going to click OK here. Now, if you look it, the boot UEFI here, And the new partition here, it has to has the mount point. Now that I have everything, the boot UEFI here, the swap partition, ext4 partition here, I click next. Now I'm going to have to use a name, username, and I'm going to use the same password as the administrator, and then I'm going to click next. I'm going to pause the video to create that. So that's how it looks like. It's going to be like this. That's the A15 is going to be the like I said, the partition. So I'm going to take another screenshot. I'm going to click next here. So I'm gonna pause the video. When I'm almost finished, I will start again. Quadlibet. That's the audio player. As you can see, everything is done. What we're going to do is I'm going to click done here, and that's it. So my next video is going to be my multi-booting 11, how to Hendeca boot SwagArch Linux with Windows 10 plus Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, Manjaro, Linux Mint, Artix Linux, openSUSE, Artix Linux, SwagArch. So this is going to be my next video. I'm going to install first 20 operating system, and then I'm going to do how to after install guide. So I'm going to show how to update, install software, upgrade the system, do a little customization, and that's it. And from there you're going to be able to use it. So first I'm going to show how to install first, so you can learn how to install. After I have all the operating systems installed, I will do on the VirtualBox or GNOME boxes on how to install to the hard drive to be just one operating system. I'm going to do which every GNU/Linux distribution. So that's it for now. If you like this video, please subscribe, please share, please like, and leave the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video. The next video I'm going to do it in 10 minutes from now. I'll have a few videos uploaded to YouTube tonight. See you in the next video.